In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your resume in Canva, and I'll also show you how you can get that link to work when you download your resume. So go ahead and open up your resume template. I'm just going to build one from scratch. So we'll go ahead and search for a resume template, and we'll use this one as an example. Now, once you've got your resume open, you want to zoom in, and here you need to kind of choose a space for the link, whether that means adding new text and creating a different text box, or maybe you've already got some text added. For the video, I'll just go ahead and add some text. We'll add some body text. Here I'll just write portfolio, but obviously you have a reason and a link that you want your text to go to. So we're going to head and use this. Now what you need to do is you need to create your text, and this needs to be an individual text box really. You can't go ahead and link like specific words inside of a text box, it gets complicated. So I would create a new text box just for the link, then click on it, go to more and go to link. Here what you can do, you can then type in a URL. For me, I'm just going to link this to Google just so we can understand this. So I'm going to link to Google, display mode, link, then click done. Now it should add that link, so this should now go to Google. Now it's important to know once you've added the link, if you go to share, you need to go ahead and then download this, and it needs to be in a PDF standard format. If you do it as a PNG, it isn't going to add the link, so go ahead and download it as a PDF standard. Now once you've got that downloaded, once you open it, you'll see that when you hover over your link, you'll know it's a link, and if you click on it, it should be working. So that's how you can add a link to your resume in Canva.